Not that I'd always do that on social media. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. Yes, I took a break and I actually addressed it on Instagram of why I took a break. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, the reason is I just needed a break from social media for a while. Even though I still got on Pinterest, but I also don't consider Pinterest social media because for me it was a like a break to refresh my mind for craft ideas. I don't talk to people on there. I don't get on there and be like, oh, I wish my stuff was like that, or why is their stuff so much better, and yada yada yada, and put myself down. And not that I'd always do that on social media, but I do have a habit of doing it, and I ended up spreading myself kind of thin between YouTube and Instagram and trying to keep up with everything on there. So I just needed a break. Well, I had planned on revamping a lot of my stuff while I was on break, and yeah, so I ended up getting hurt, which was fun. I ended up hurting the shoulder and my back in a really, really stupid way. I felt so stupid when it happened, and I thought for sure it was worse than it was because of what it felt like / sounded like. I was stretching as I was in midst of mid-sleep, and I woke up abruptly because it was a really sharp pain, and it sounded like bubble wrap being driven over by a car all up my back. Turns out it was just a really severe pinched nerve, so it was easy to fix. Just some stretches, which I'm still doing. I'm still in pain. It's just not as bad. I can actually move and do things. So in my initial 2-week off, I ended up taking almost a month off because I couldn't do anything for like a week and a half. It hurt so bad I couldn't raise my arm past, well, at the point it was here, but I can now. I can go all the way up with very minor pain. But anyway, that's not what this is about. So the whole thing is I was trying to revamp my stuff, trying to redo my YouTube, redo my Instagram. If you've noticed, my logo changed on YouTube and Instagram, so I'm trying to redo some stuff, make it more me, and I don't know, just bring out more of me in my things. So anyway, so I just wanted to jump on here, say, hey, hi, I'm alive, I'm good, and show you what I've been working on. Since I don't really have a video planned, and I've missed, like I said, a month of YouTube upload and almost a month of putting anything on Instagram. So I'm just going to go through things kind of quickly of what I've been making, what I've been working on. So yay! The first thing I'm going to show you guys, I'll dump it out and show you on my desk, but all these resin pieces. I really got into trying to work with resin, especially when it wasn't something I didn't have to move a whole lot for. I could just kind of sit still and work on. That was part of it. And then I got an idea, and I want to know if you guys would even be interested. But I have these, where are they? Let me find them, hang on. So I got into making the moons and stuff, and really like how they came out. So I was thinking about taking and making them into hair clips for selling on Etsy. Do you think that would be a good idea? Would that be cute? Hey, look, it blends in with my hair. Ooh. Oh yeah, I dyed my hair. And if you see my hands and they're purple, that's why, because I just recently redid it. I really like how it, like, I don't know, I like my hair. But anyway, we're not talking about my hair. We're talking about these. I like how these came out. I'm still learning, so it wouldn't be something that I did right now because I still have to work on getting bubbles out, and apparently my ratio is off because this is sticky. Anyway, I would also have to get some new resin because I'm pretty sure my resin I have is expired, but I'm still using it. Anyway, so that's one thing I've been working on, and ideas for Etsy. Let me know in the comments below if you like the idea of doing that as hair clips, because I don't know, the more I put it in my hair, the more I like it. Ooh. Anyway, so that's an idea. That's an idea I've been working on. The next thing are these prototype bags. I got a whole bunch of pleather or faux leather, and they're all Halloween design. Man, this makes it look like the same color as my shirt, but it's not. This is a blue and this is teal. And I posted on my Instagram right before I took a break these bags here, and it was lined, and they're a pretty decent size. You can tell about the size of my hand. I thought they'd be cute for like for your makeup or a coin purse, something like that. Still not great at sewing because, as you can see, it's like it's kind of wonky. I want to get better at sewing these before I start selling them. So this is another option. This was prototype 1. This is prototype 2. I like the look of this, but my machine doesn't handle sewing this very well. While it's in the midst of my break, so the last week I've been sewing like mad. And I may or may not have ruined my machine, but then I think I fixed it. I think I figured out what's wrong. I hope I did. If I didn't, I don't know. I don't know I can't figure out how to line this yet, so that's something I have to do. Or does that look bad? I don't know. If I did sell these, it would have to be without the handle, because like I said, my machine can't handle it, and it ends up pulling, and I just don't think that'll last, and I don't want to sell a product that's just gonna end up breaking. But yeah, I think the box is cute. I do like the box shape of it. It's the same, pretty close to the same size as my hand. And then this next thing, this is actually a gift for somebody, and I really hope they like it, but because they don't really watch my YouTube that much, I'm going to show on here. This is something I only ordered enough material to make of this. This is not, like I said, this is a gift. This is not going to be in my Etsy. Now this shape might eventually be in my Etsy. I just have to get down working on it better. I ended up getting a leather foot, not a leather foot, we call it it's a specific kind of foot. I can't remember what it is, but it's for working with pleather or leather, so it goes through a Teflon foot. That's what it's called. I like the way this came out. There are things I wish I could change about it because, like I said, my machine's not that great at sewing these things. I don't have a beginner machine, but I also don't have a high-end machine. I love my sewing machine, but yeah, also I should have used black thread, but I don't have black thread right now, or I didn't. I do now. I didn't then when I was sewing this because of everything around here. All the black thread is out, which is really weird, and because of the whole everything going on, they don't think they're going to get any in for a long time. So white it was. So thank God it's a gift. I really hope that they like it. I really like how that turned out. And then I made a little coin purse to go down in there because the way this is made, it can't close all the way. So I didn't want her to stick coins in there and then they fall out. So I was like, I'll just make a tiny little coin purse to go down in there. What I do like about this is that it's big enough to fit your phone in. Take that out. Big enough to fit your phone in. Struggle a little bit. Look at that. I like that. And my phone's in there. I do wish it was more sturdy, but I don't have interfacing or the proper interfacing for it. So it was just pointless for me to put it in there right now. Yeah. So anyway, I really like that. That's one thing I've been working on. I hope that they like it, like I said. And I really like how this material came out. This is something I ordered off Amazon and didn't think it was ever going to come in because I think it's from China. So, yeah. It was one of those really cheap materials, but it's really nice. I got it for like $1. Anyway, and this is a prototype. This is my first prototype for a drawstring bag I was doing, and I didn't line it. This, like I said, it's just a prototype. I was trying to practice learning how to put in grommets. I am obviously not that great at it. I'm getting there, but the reason why is because I am going to be making and selling drawstring bags. Not like this. This was just to get the size down and all the measurements just to test it out. And like I said, making sure I knew how to do the grommets. As you can see, not great. Then after I made that prototype bag, I decided to go ahead and make a bag. And I did this. I don't think it's picking up on camera. But it's got bat wings that are Got a little bit flimsier than I wanted, but again, no interfacing, so I used what I had. And then it has a front pocket with my hair. This front pocket. I do like how this turned out. It's a pretty deep front pocket. I should have put a pocket on the inside, but I didn't, and it's lined with orange polka dots on the inside. It's not quite finished, obviously. I have to still put the grommets in, but it's not finished because I have to put the grommets in, and I have to either make the string or use the string that I have that I initially bought for making these bags, but I don't like the way it looks. I thought it was going to be like a lot softer rope. It's really shiny, really plasticky looking, and it makes it look cheap, if that makes sense. So I think I might just take and make the string to go through here, or see if I can find another rope to go through to make the straps, to make it a pull string, or drawstring bag. Anyway, so when you close it, it should gather the wings up. I did put the other string in there to test it out, and it'll gather them. I like how it looks. I think it's cute, but it does have its flaws, so this will be, if I do put this one on my Etsy, this one here in particular, if I put this on my Etsy, it will be discounted because it's got things on it that I don't like, and it's not perfect, but it's handmade, and what handmade item is ever completely perfect unless it's like factory made, you know, by people that sew the same thing repeatedly. So anyway, and even then, they still have flaws. So anyway, that I think will be discounted if I make it, and it'll probably be the only one of this style that I release, because it was it was a bitch, to say the least, to make. Anyway, that's pretty much what I've been working on. Not a whole lot, like I said, because I couldn't. And yeah, I just wanted to say, hey, hi, hello, I'm here. And yeah, I hope this video you found interesting. If not, oh well, thank you for watching. Sorry you guys slipped through that. I do plan to release a another Disney Craft With Me series. I just still have to work on what I'm making. I think I have an idea of what I'm going to make for the next one, which is Tangled, but I have to figure out how to do it. I'm kind of excited, but anyway, it will be coming out soon, hopefully. Keep an eye out for that, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!